Hello my trainees, this is your macho doll. You already know my favorite color is pink, so we have already pink camera as well. And I'm gonna show you today chest workout. I received message, Simona, give us advice how to get a big chest muscle like you, how to grow chest muscles. So I'm gonna show you great exercise. So today it's advice for guys who wants to have large chest muscle, or for you girls as well. And after watching this video, leave comment if you have sense for humor, of course. If you agree this exercise is great for chest muscles. If you want to have size your chest muscle A, B, C, you use these weights. In case if you want chest muscle D, E, F, you have to work out with these weights. But it's not for me, I just want to have size C. And squeeze your boobs muscle. Squeeze it when you go up. Squeeze it. So what do you think? It's great exercise for chest muscle. Squeeze it, feel it and go all the way up and up. What kind of muscle my cameraman is taking now? I want to show how chest muscles working or something. Oh, and squeeze it. Squeeze it. Now I'm gonna show you really top secret how to get lean and ripped body. So secret, top secret, it's not about training hard, but eat tuna. You for a huge muscle, big can of tuna, but I eat small tunas. So this is top secret. Train hard and eat tuna. This is great exercise for abs. I like to work out everywhere. It can be on the beach, in the gym, home. I just love fitness. So what do you think? It was great exercise for chest muscles? Leave comment below for some great advice, because I think I need bigger chest muscles. I think now they are C and I think I was size D. So leave some advice. Bye bye, see you next time.